All right, so let's see if we can get this on video. This is the label about how to put my hot water tank in my camper into bypass. So if you have the valves pointed toward the hot water tank, that allows water in and out of the hot water tank. If you turn the valve toward the line, that bypasses the hot water tank, and it makes the water run, makes the liquid that you're pumping through the system run through this bypass hose instead. These are bypass valves. If you look, I have them now turned in the down position, parallel with the line, which has bypassed the hot water tank. Okay, that's what that has done. I verified that. Now, I'm in the middle of trying to winterize my camper. And the reason I'm doing this is I took this in last year to get fixed and was told there's nothing wrong with it. I took it in last spring to get fixed to a place near me, and they said there was nothing wrong with the bypass valves. They said my bypass valves were in the wrong position, and that's all I was doing wrong. Well, and so I came out here to winterize my. I never tried them again because he said they were okay. So now here I am winterizing. My valves were facing my tank, hot water tank, and everything was working perfectly. So I've now turned them clearly to the direction where it's bypass, and I've rotated them. This is not where they were. This is where they are now. So that should be bypass. I've got my coolant jug hooked up. I had to, I don't have an adapter for it to fit inside the coolant jug, so I just go to my inlet from my pump, put it in a pot, put it in the thing, and fill it up with the antifreeze, and I draw from it. And then I turn my pump on. I turn my my water pump on to pressurize my water system and run antifreeze through my system. And there my pump is off because everything's closed. Right? System's intact. Oh, what's that? My pump is running. Oh, now it's off. That indicates a leak. That indicates that my pressure is dropping enough for my pump to turn on. Pump is on. Pump is off. Wonder where it could be going. All my valves are closed. I don't have water running out of anywhere. So where could it possibly be going? Oh, well, will you look at that? It's coming right out my hot water tank with my valves in bypass. Now that's antifreeze. I can see the color. That's the antifreeze coming out. I shut the pump off, that stops. And my hot water tank is in bypass, which means that the problem I took it in for last spring is happening right now. This is not hard to demonstrate. All you have to do is put it in bypass, pressurize the system, and see if it leaks. Clearly, they didn't do that. I don't know why they didn't do that. Now I have to go back to them. I think they charged me a couple hours labor to look at it, and they said there was nothing wrong with it. And then here it is, there's something wrong with it still. You know, that's how it goes, I guess, right? You want something done right, you got to do it yourself, even though I have a warranty. Awesome.